Hey guys, it's Philia here, back from Tia and Taj. We're back out in the hotel room, as I said in our previous video, and we are about to go to the mall, the Eaton Center, and we're going to the American Girl store. So I have my doll Grace with me. Get me her for an early birthday present.
Oh my goodness, is this the doll that you've been raving and craving about?
Yes.
Why do you like her so much?
Because she has
Tell me.
curly hair.
Is that her there in the...
Yeah.
Oh, let me see the back of her hair. Oh my, I like that. Look at the ponytail.
You can take her out up
Can
there,
I?
can't you? Yeah.
Grace.
Grace, she looks so good. I like the Leah headband on her.
Thank you. Can you get me her?
So again, what is it that's so special about her?
Well, she goes to Brazil
She goes to Brazil, yes.
because her brother gets lost out in the rainforest.
Her brother gets lost in the rainforest. Oh my God. So
And
what
they-
happens? How do they
She
find
has to fly up to Brazil.
him? Is it her older brother or younger brother?
Older.
So she's to fly to Brazil, and she's looking for her older
Yeah.
brother who got lost in the rainforest.
And she's a photographer. There it is.
Oh yeah, is that Brazil there?
Yeah.
She's here for only 1 year. Oh my goodness, Talia. She's beautiful.
Can you?
For your birthday.
Thank you.
For your birthday. That wasn't until October. Oh my God.
Go pay for her right now so I can take her out of the box.
Yeah.
Yay, where do we pay?
You're gonna very cool. Carry 2 dolls.
You have a great
You think you're gonna be able to do that?
You're getting Leah today?
Yes.
That's so exciting.
It is exciting. Oh, she has a book that comes
She
with
got
it.
one?
Great.
She's perfect.
And she also has the messenger bag and her compass necklace behind her.
Sweet.
Yeah.